Hi, you want to know how you can make more than $15,000 per month? Then, today, I will share with you my experience of the best email marketing service. After testing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I have been using this service for 7 years now. It provides a robust set of tools you need to build and maintain strong customer relationships. In this short video, I will show you 3 very useful features that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the category of email marketing services. It's about Moozant. I will leave the link to the official site under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello! From startups to Fortune 500 companies, thousands of companies around the world use Moozant to attract their email subscribers and grow their businesses. I strongly recommend that you try this service because it is worth it. Let's move on to the review and you yourself will understand everything. Pros: support is available to all customers by phone, email and live chat at no additional cost for any level of support. Users have access to 100% of the features regardless of their account size. Enhanced automation workflow builder with built-in automation templates. Founded in 2011, Moozant is an affordable email marketing platform used by companies of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. With an easy-to-use interface, intuitive automation and advanced lead segmentation, Moozant provides the robust set of tools you need to build and maintain strong customer relationships. The company has an intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate and quickly mastered by newbies. Creation of marketing campaigns is extremely easy with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to create engaging emails from scratch. There are over 40 different templates built into Moozant, although this is limited compared to 700 plus Aweber templates and 100 plus constant contact templates. Moozant includes advanced automation features on all of its plans, even for free trial accounts. Moozant Automation uses a visual workflow builder that includes subscriber welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and even lead counts. There is also a library of recipes, predefined automation tools that can help you save time during the installation process. We really love that Moozant provides all of its functionality across all of its plans compared to some of its competitors who charge extra for some of their more advanced features. While Moozant offers many email options, the software is not intended to be used as an all-in-one marketing solution. Registration forms are extremely simple and need to be customized using code, and the built-in functionality is very limited. Moozant also does not offer additional marketing tools such as landing pages, which means you can combine Moozant with other systems to suit your needs. While Moozant is a small company compared to some of its more established competitors, its affordable pricing structure lends itself to companies on a tight budget, while its range of industry-leading email features ensures you don't have to compromise on functionality. Moozant pricing and cost. Moozant pricing is based on your follow account, starting at $10 per month, free for 1,000 subscribers. Monthly plan starts at $10 per month for up to 5,000 subscribers and $150 per month for up to 50,000 subscribers. Up to 20% discount for annual subscription and 15% for 6 months. To sign up for a free account, visit the Moozant website today. Moozant provides users with an easy way to send emails to existing subscriber lists. Like other email marketing providers, Moozant includes a step-by-step campaign creation wizard that guides users through the process of creating email campaigns. Once you have selected your campaign type and subscriber list, you can create your newsletter using the Moozant's drag-and-drop campaign editor. The editor is intended for beginners. This means that users with no technical or programming skills can easily create engaging newsletters from scratch using movable containers and elements. There are about 40 built-in templates available that can be used in a wide variety of industries, from real estate to e-commerce. The choice of template is underwhelming, especially when compared to Constant Contact and Aweber, but the editor is very intuitive, meaning you can customize and match your brand without too much trouble and effort. If you have experience with HTML, Moozant also provides you with the ability to edit code along with with a visual composer, allowing you to visualize changes as your project develops. One of the new features that can improve your conversions is Muzand countdown emails. Providing a sense of urgency or perceived shortage can help your followers make quick decisions and take action. For example, you can include a timer in your email to showcase a trade that expires in a few days, or even a countdown timer to create anticipation for an upcoming event. List management. When choosing an email provider, it is important to consider how easy it is to attract existing subscribers or add new subscribers. Muzand provides several different download options, including CSV, Excel compatibility, copy and paste contact information, or import existing contacts from Google or Salesforce. A key component for sending emails to the right audience at the right time is list segmentation. Muzand allows you to collect detailed information about your subscribers that you can use to create targeted listings. Custom fields can be added as text, date and time, drop-down and checkboxes, which can be customized to collect any information you need. For example, you can collect your subscribers' birthday data to send them a personalized email. Custom fields can be specified as optional or required, although it is important to note that the required information will be required every time you add or import new subscribers to the list, or when you add subscribers through registration forms. Making report. Users can view information about each campaign in real time in the reports section, which offers an excellent overview of openings, clicks, and bounces. By clicking on each campaign, you can see the activity of individual recipients, compare email client and mobile tracking, and track the location where each email was viewed. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, thousands of companies around the world use Muzand to attract their email subscribers and grow their businesses. Pros: support is available to all customers by phone, email, and live chat at no additional cost for any level of support. Users have access to 100% of the features regardless of their account size. Enhanced automation workflow builder with built-in automation templates. Minuses: registration forms are basic and may need additional customization. Native integrations are missing.